Okay guys, so basically this will is also mostly asked interview question. जब Python के question पूछे जाते हैं, what are the different data types in Python, right? Now when they ask this question, they don't want whole the description, whole the features and all. You just need to give all the data types, okay, and then just a one use of that particular data type, right? So see, you can start with first numerical data type, okay, that will be good start. In Python we have some types of data, which is numerical type, sequence data type, Boolean data type, dictionary set and none. Okay, in numerical data type, first is the integer data type, which represent for a natural number, positive or negative. Next is a float data type. It is a decimal pointer number, okay, and it is also same a positive and negative. Next, a complex data type, it is rarely used and it is a keys and values pair. Next, we have a sequence data type in Python. In sequence, first data type is a string. Whenever we wanted to store name or a character, that time we use a string data type. So string is written in double quote or a single quote, right? A next data type is a list. When we wanted to store more than one values in Python, we'll use list data type. It is created in square bracket. Next is the tuple data type. A tuple is also used to store multiple values and it is created in round bracket. Next is a range. A range is used for generating the numbers, mostly used with the looping statement. Now Boolean is data type is also there. It stands for true and false. Okay, so Boolean is mostly we are getting from you output, not a we give the input. Then next is a dictionary. A dictionary is a keys and values pair. And set is the unique value pair, which is written in a curly bracket. Dictionary is also used a curly bracket. And then last one is none data type. Okay, so basically guys, this is how we can answer. You don't need to give a whole the description and all. You just need to mention a data type and how to create that data type. Okay, there is also a data type like a array, byte array and all. You don't need to mention that. What interviews accept from you ki you have the knowledge of all the data types. Okay, ठीक है.